How to see recently played songs on Spotify. So if you want to see the recently played songs on Spotify, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all simply open up your browser or your mobile phone and go to spotify.com, right? Now once you go to spotify.com or browser or whatever else, right on the home page after you log in, you'll find the section that says recently played. So here you can go to the show all button to be able to see the recently played songs. But Spotify has really been limiting many things, and now instead of the songs, they're just showing you the playlist from where you played them, right? And this is actually quite annoying. Now, you want to find recently played songs and not playlists, right? Now, for this, unfortunately, we will take the help of another website known as statsforspotify.com. Don't worry, it's completely safe, so all your data are safe. And go to statsforspotify.com and log into one of your Spotify account on which you want to find the recently played songs. In my case, I've already done that. Then you want to go to this option at the menu bar that says recently played. And from the recently played, you'll find the tracks that you've listened to, the artist, and also played when you played them right there. You can see, and you'll be able to find them. And you can see a little note that says that a track must be played for more than 30 seconds to be included in play history. So this way, you'll be able to find your recently played songs on Spotify. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.